Meaning of dualistic.
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 Dualistic. The term dualistic refers to the concept of dividing things into two opposing or contrasting categories. This perspective suggests that the world can be understood in terms of two contrasting principles, such as good and evil, mind and body, or spirit and matter. The dualistic worldview suggests that these opposing forces are in a constant struggle, often resulting in tension or conflict. Dualistic thinking is often criticized for being overly simplistic and failing to recognize the complexity and diversity of human experience.